Japanese barberry is a deciduous, compact, thorny shrub identified by its arching branches, which you can see in the picture to the left here. Its small, flat, spoon-shaped leaves, conspicuous spines, and oval-shaped berries, which you can see in the picture to the right. It's native to Japan and was actually found growing in the mountains of Japan in 1864 originally, and was revered for its antibacterial properties and its treatment of stomach upset. It was introduced to the United States in 1875 to the eastern part of the United States in the Arnold Arboretum in Boston. But it really didn't become naturalized until after 1910 when it began colonizing roadside verges and open pastures. By 1920, it was really promoted by the nursery industry and started becoming a very popular ornamental shrub. It has very attractive fall foliage, and there are a variety of different cultivars with different colors. So it became a very popular ornamental shrub in a lot of people's properties. By 1960s, in fact, it was dispersed widely and exponentially by homeowners in the nursery trade. It's now extant in 38 states from its initial introduction. It's commonly seen in waste places such as roadsides, shrub thickets, and disturbed woodlands, but it will also grow in closed canopies and wetland habitats. So what was originally a mountain shrub quickly adapted to a whole bunch of different ecosystem types. It is a good nesting habitat for birds and cover for small mammals. But what that also means is that it harbors ticks. It provides a humid, buffered microclimate that increases tick survival and nesting area for many of their hosts. And one study in Connecticut, as you can see down here, revealed 120 ticks per acre in Barberry infested forests compared to just 10 per acre in forests without Barberry. It rapidly displaces native plants, creating vast monocultures by shading out other native competitors. And it can also change the soil pH, reducing the layer of litter on the forest floor and further providing a competitive advantage. These alterations favor its own establishment. So once it's established, it really tends to take a hold and can form dense monocultures and dense thickets. It's a rugged and versatile plant, and another reason for its invasion success. It can grow in a variety of different soil types in sun and shade. It's disease resistant and very few natural controls. Deer tend to stay away from barberry because of the sharp thorns make leaf eating very difficult and uncomfortable. The berries are widely dispersed by a variety of different animals, including birds. However, they're very low in nutritional value and may have a negative impact on bird growth and survival. So just another impact that it has. It can reproduce through vegetative propagation as well as regular sexual reproduction. Any stem that touches the ground can root. So be careful if you do removal that all the roots are removed as well. It leaves out early and maintains foliage for a long period of time, and that longer growing season relative to other native shrubs gives it a competitive advantage as well. It has a very high reproductive output and is capable of copious seed production. Some reports have it as many as 12,000 seeds on a single plant. Japanese barberry can be distinguished by its small leaves, again, just to summarize, with needle-like thorns at the base of each leaf cluster, as you can see here, almost like a toothpick shape to it. Its branches curve in an arch, as we mentioned before, and it has very, very leafy branches, so these spoon-shaped leaves to it that tend to cluster along the stems. It also has flowers that come out, white or yellowish, that come out in late April or May in our region. Another key ID feature are the round, sort of red oval fruits that the small dangling berries along the stem, which are visible in late summer and can persist throughout the winter. Please watch our ID video to learn more and some of the variations that you might see when you're out and about.